Hey guys, and welcome back to Smart Money Minds. So I've been getting more questions about Chinese tech stocks. They're asking if the bottom is in. We have the S&P 500 going back to all-time highs, and Chinese stocks have been responding as well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what my opinion is, what Chinese stocks I'm watching most, and what stocks I'm currently in right now. And we'll take a look and see if I think the bottom is in for these stocks. Now, the first thing we're going to look at is a couple days ago on October 17th, we have another giant fine issued by the Chinese government to Meituan here. Which is the largest food delivery company in China. And instead of dropping in prices, the stock actually went up a good percentage here. So it's similarly acting what BABA did back in the day when the Chinese government gave them a giant fine, because it relieved the pressure of sentimentality of that things are going to get worse. They already have an answer, and that makes investors and traders relieved and actually give it more confidence. On the other hand, we have Bitcoin mining being banned by China for a couple of months now, and that's done nothing but actually drive the prices of Bitcoin to almost a new high. So the big question is the bottom in for a lot of these Chinese tech stocks that were beaten up by the Chinese government with all the uncertainty and all the fines? So let's take a look at BABA, which is a giant name in China, and this is the stock that I was in. So technical analysis wise, we had a breakout for the daily bull flag right over here, low bear volume, and we had a tightening pennant that broke out today. And my first target for this one is actually going to be around the 180 range, which is the golden pocket of this zone. So from the lows from here all the way down, now we're heading up back up to the golden pocket zone. And look at the increasing bull volume. It's looking very promising. On the other hand, we also have BIDU. Look at the volume that's coming up. Another technical break that led to this breakout. So we're seeing that the technical analysis is lining up here, where we're getting bottoms here and now we're getting breakouts. So on the monthly chart, let's check this out. On BIDU, if we set a bottom here, the point 236 is what, 187. So I'm thinking we could even head up to the 0.382 here for a bounce move on this Fibonacci retracement, and that would be a major move. That could be another 20% for this move to develop on the longer time frame. And just check out the chart I have here for Chinese stocks. We got pretty much all green going on here. We have IQ, which actually had a pretty good bounce on this move. Another name to keep eye on is JD here. Look at from this move here, we have actually a weekly trend change. It was weekly downtrend all the way down here, and now we moved up, we had a higher low, and now we're setting a higher high on this move. So on the weekly, we're getting a good trend change. On the monthly, let's check it out. We have a curl around here. This could set up something like a monthly cup and handle pattern, possibly, to get this move up. We have lots of lower wicks. So to me, in my opinion, it feels like that things are starting to bottom out. We have a couple of daily trend changes on the bigger names. Check out Beely here. We have another daily trend change, and on the longer time frame, we're starting to curl, form bottoms that are hard to break down now, because even negative news is not driving the prices lower. So I'm going to be keeping a close eye on the major names here on BABA, BIDU, and see if their uptrend is continued. And then I'm going to focus on some of the weaker names and see if we get a bigger bounce on these names. Names like maybe PDD, TME, maybe some of the Chinese education stocks, and see if the big names can drag the lower names, the weaker names, up to a new high. In the comments below, let me know what your thoughts are for Chinese tech stocks. Are you in any of them right now? There's good opportunity that I'm seeing here, and just let me know what your thoughts are. And if you enjoy my videos, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you guys next time.